Hi guys, today we see a new version of sort function. In a previous video, as you remember, we have covered sort function, which is used on arrays to sort the data. We today look into a different function or another version of sort, that is sort by. Now this sort by function is supported in Excel 365 and 2021. So you won't find this in previous version. So what sort by does, it permits the user to sort an array or specific cell range based on the values in different arrays or cell ranges. Now, as I told you, it is supported by 360 and 2021. Sort by function is, as I mentioned, it's not available in older versions, but the idea behind covering this is nowadays people are shifting to 365. Hence, I wanted to cover it in this video. So, what sort by does, rather than before jumping into what sort by does, let's first understand the syntax. So sort by has the function name, open brackets, and then you have the array or the cell references that you want to sort by which array, or I'll say array 1, yeah. And then you have to give the sort order, which is optional. It will automatically sort, I'll just mention this way, order 1. Yeah. Then you have another sort array, which is array 2. And this is again optional. The entire thing is optional. So you have array by which another array that you want to sort it by, and the sort order for the second array, or the sort by array. Yeah. So this entire thing is optional. Whereas the initial, these two parts, that's very important. You need to have an array or the data that needs to be sorted, and by which array or which cell you want to sort the data by. So let's try to use it very quickly in our current data that we have here. So let me have, I want to sort this entire data based on rating. So I'll say is equal to sort by open brackets. Then I have to select this entire data that I want to sort, and by which entity or which column I want to sort is the rating. I'll just select the sort array or by sort by array by whom I want to sort, and I'll say press enter. You'll find this data has been sorted by the ratings now. Yeah. Now suppose I want to sort it by descending order. So what I'll do is, in order to sort it in a descending order, I have, as you know, in our previous video, it is -1 in order to have it in descending order. So it will sort the rating in descending order. So 5.5 will come first and subsequently the lower values. Yeah. So this is how you sort by a particular cell reference, and it's pretty easy to sort. Second thing what I can do is, suppose I want to sort the home or the category, all the category, not the home, but the categories. But you'll find, let me show you what happens. So I want to sort the categories in an ascending order. So I'll just press 1, say OK. You'll find the category is being sorted in an ascending order here. As you can see, A has come first, B later, E, and then H. But along with category, I also want the ratings. So in apparels, you will find 5.2 going up, 4, 4.2. So rather 4.2 should come up because it is a higher rating. In books, 3.6 is going down 3.2.5 is up. So what I want to do right now is I also want to sort. Let me make this columns a bit smaller so that I can see all the columns together. Okay, uh, this looks good. So you can see here the category has been sorted, but the ratings are not in a sorted order. So to make the ratings, which is the second order of sorting, so I want to know in apparel which are the IDs which have the highest rating, or in books which are the highest rating. So what I can do is I can have a dual sort. So so this is my first sort. Now I'll do a second sort that is based on the ratings, comma, and this time I'll make it descending because I want the highest rating to be at the first. So you will find here now my apparel is sorted as well as my ratings are also sorted for apparels. Same way for books, the ratings are sorted. So 3.6, the highest rating books has come up. Yeah. Same way for electronics, you will find the ratings being sorted. Even for home goods, the ratings are being sorted. So it has sorted category-wise ratings based on the order that we have told. Suppose I want the ratings also in ascending order. So I want the lowest first. So you'll find here apparels, but now the ratings are in ascending order. Yeah. So this is how you can use sort by function in Excel to sort your data. Pretty simple to use, but there are few things that you need to understand. Okay. So if the argument sort order 1 or sort order 2 must have an equal number of rows. So if my sort order is different, suppose I change this sort order of uh, the rating, I make it 10, which is this sort order is not equal to the category or the entire data that we have selected, then it will give you a value error. Okay. Oh, yeah. So you need to see to it that all the arrays that you have specified in the function are of equal length. Second, you cannot have the sort order value other than 1 or -1. So if I specify 2, anything other than 1 or -1, it will give me a, okay, does not change it. Let me change it to 2. Yeah, it will give me a value error. So you cannot give any value other than 1 or -1 because it will not recognize whether it is to be sorted in ascending or descending order. So, and another point that you need to remember is this array would keep on changing as and how you change the data here. So suppose you see here the ratings of apparels, uh, the rating of ID 8 is 4. Yeah. Suppose I change it to 2. You'll find that the order will automatically change here. So I'll change this to 2 and press enter. You'll find it is changing here in the dynamic array as well. So let me not change it to 2. Let me change it to 6 so that the row moves downward. You find it? So the 8th row now has become 4th row. So this entire data is dynamic based on the single function that we have specified here. And as soon as you change any value in the existing array, from where we are picking up this data, then automatically it will, this would, rather than automatically, this will change dynamically as you change the data or the base data. Yeah. Another thing that you need to also understand is you cannot have any other value been written in the range or where we have this data. So suppose I specify any other value, yeah, it will give you spill error, because within this range where my data is supposed to show, this is the data where I need to show in the show for this particular formula, I have some value which cannot be overwritten. So I need to delete this value in order for this function to execute. So I'll delete this value, and here is your sorted data. Yeah. So these are four things that you need to understand when you are using the sort by function, because spill error will occur if I have any other value interrupting your data which has to be displayed. Yeah, so I need to remove the data so that I can get this sorted data. Okay. Hope I was able to make this concept clear on sort by function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in the 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you are going to get a notification about any future videos that I upload on YouTube. And yes, that will also keep me motivated towards creating such free content. Thank you so much.